Today, I'll show you how to change number on GCash. First, open the GCash app on your phone. If you can still access your old GCash account, sign in using your current registered mobile number. Once you are inside the app, tap Profile at the bottom right corner. Now go to Settings or Account Information, depending on what appears in your app. Look for an option related to changing your mobile number. If GCash allows number change directly in your app, follow the steps on the screen. You may need to enter your MPIN, verify with an OTP, or complete face verification. Now enter your new mobile number carefully. Make sure the new SIM is active and can receive text messages, because GCash may send an OTP to confirm the change. After entering the code, review the details and confirm. If you do not see a change number option, or if you cannot access your old number anymore, go to the GCash Help Center. In the app, tap Profile, then tap Help. Search for Change Mobile Number or Lost SIM. Open the related article and follow the instructions. You may need to submit a ticket and provide proof that you own the account. Prepare your valid ID, your old mobile number, your new mobile number, and any details GCash asks for. If your old SIM was lost or stolen, contact your mobile network provider first and request a SIM replacement with the same number if possible. This is often easier because your GCash account is linked to your registered mobile number. Also remember, never share your MPIN, OTP, password, or verification codes with anyone. So, to keep it simple, check if the GCash app lets you change your number directly. If not, use the Help Center, submit a ticket, and complete the required verification. And that's how you change number on GCash. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.